Timing and delivery, the heartbeat of English humor. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of humor in English, specifically focusing on timing and delivery. Ever wondered why certain jokes land while others don't? Well, it's all about how you say it. Let's explore this vital aspect of English humor together. Timing and humor refers to when you deliver the punchline or humorous part of your sentence or story. Just as a drummer maintains the rhythm in a song, a person telling a joke maintains the rhythm with their timing. Too early, the joke might not be understood. Too late, the impact of the joke may have already passed. Remember, in comedy, timing is everything. The gap between the setup of a joke and its punchline is crucial. Waiting just the right amount of time before delivering the punchline can make the difference between a laugh and a groan. Now that we know the when, let's focus on the how. Delivery encompasses how you say something. This includes 1. Tone of voice. Saying something sarcastically versus earnestly can change the meaning entirely. 2. Facial expressions. A wink, raised eyebrow, or smile can add extra flavor to a joke. 3. Body language. A well-timed shrug or gesture can emphasize the humor in what you're saying. A joke can be hilarious when read, but when said out loud, it might fall flat if not delivered correctly. Practice different tones and watch comedians to see how they adjust their voices and bodies to land a joke. Humor varies across cultures. What's funny in one culture might be offensive in another. Cultural awareness is crucial when using humor, especially in English, which is spoken across various cultures. Remember, avoid humor that might touch on sensitive topics until you're sure it's appropriate. Watch local comedies or talk shows to get a feel for what's considered humorous. When in doubt, opt for universal humor, things everyone finds funny regardless of culture. The key to mastering timing and delivery? Practice. Here are some ways. 1. Watch English comedies and observe the timing. 2. Try repeating jokes or funny stories in front of friends or a mirror. 3. Listen to stand-up comedians and notice their pacing and rhythm. The more you practice, the better your timing and delivery will become. Humor is a beautiful way to connect with others, and understanding timing and delivery is essential to making those connections in English. We hope this video has shed some light on the heartbeat of English humor. Remember, practice, be patient with yourself, and most importantly, have fun with it. Until next time, keep laughing and learning.